Okay, this video will talk about break and continue. All right, so let's see. Okay, two very important constructs, break and continue. So what do they do? If you look at the code snippet here, let's remove these guys. Okay, so if you look at the code snippet here, you're doing some actions. And here you can see if I'm looking for an even number. If it's an even number, I print the number. Otherwise, I just say it's an odd number and moving on. So essentially, I'm continuing or going back to the next iteration of I. So I goes from 0 to 9. I look for even or odd. If it's even, I print it or I continue, essentially taking it to the loop again to the next value of I. So this is continue. The next one is the break. So break statement is used when you want to get out of the loop. Say, this example, I'm entering a number here. I'm checking for number less than 0. So if I input a number and it's less than 0, I'm not having to go through the loop of 3 times. So I'm basically saying this message, negative number entered and exiting. And then I'm using a break statement, which gets me out of the, not the if, out of the for loop. So in this case, the program ends. So we'll run this thing. So you can see the output here. So you can see all the even numbers printed 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and the odd numbers is just printing that and moving on. It's going to continue. Then it comes to the next part. So the moment I enter a positive number, nothing happens. If I enter a negative number, it should break, which it does. So this is a simple example of break and continue. So hopefully, excuse me, you guys liked it. This is there in so many programming languages. So this is quite common, and this is the way it's used in Python. Okay. So that's about it, guys. Hopefully, you guys liked it. Let me know how it was. Add your comments. Subscribe if you wish to. Thank you.